basically went from $3,800 up to $69,000 over the course of a little bit more than 2 years. And at 69,000 in November 2021, everybody was obviously bullish.
Florian Grums, managing partner at Midas Touch Consulting and cryptocurrencies analyst and trader, discussed the recent bear market in Bitcoin, which lasted from November 2021 to November 2022 and saw a 75% pullback in Bitcoin's price from its all-time high of $69,000 to $15,000 US. He noted that the bear market was due to a change in the environment and that this is a normal cycle in the cryptocurrency sector, with bull runs followed by devastating bear markets. However, he believes that Bitcoin has recovered since early 2023 and that it could reach $35,000 to $50,000 US in the coming weeks and months. Though he expects a pullback after that, possibly due to consequences from the hiking cycle and a bear market in stocks. Florian also offered his prediction that gold will be the top performing asset class of 2023, with the potential to surpass its all-time high of 2075. Here's more of what Florian had to say, but before we do that, if you like finance videos, please support our channel by liking the video, subscribing, and dropping your questions or comments below.
In retrospective, it's very obvious that we had this massive bull run that started basically with the low of the Corona crash in February 2020, and from there Bitcoin basically went from $3,800 up to $69,000 over the course of a little bit more than 2 years. And at 69,000 in November 2021, everybody was obviously bullish. I didn't really see the top exactly there. I turned bearish a little bit later, but still saw the change in the environment. And it's, in the end of the day, it's always the same cycles in that sector. You have crazy bull runs and then you have devastating bear markets. And that bear market lasted from November 2021 up to November 2022. And Bitcoin went down from 69,000 to 15,000 something, 75% pullback. And in November, everybody was so bearish. The news, especially the scam and the problems around all these lending platforms and the FTX disaster, that all basically pushed the sector further down. But starting in November, Bitcoin didn't really react to that bad news anymore. And now, since early that year, Bitcoin is basically back, and it looks like we've seen the lows. It looks like we are in a new cycle, at least a nice bounce or a recovery. I wouldn't be surprised to see Bitcoin recovering to 35,000, maybe even 50,000. If it does the same like in 2019, after the bear cycle that started in December 2017, which took Bitcoin down from $20,000 to $3,200, also a devastating bear market. But then Bitcoin quickly recovered. Starting in March 2019, it went up 350% in 3 months. So we could see something similar over the next few weeks and months, Bitcoin recovering towards 35,000, 50,000. And we would still be clearly below the all-time high. And after that, I would expect a pullback again and probably back towards the 25, 20,000 kind of range, together with the stock markets. Because again, what I said earlier, I assume that somewhere in the summer, we're going to see really the consequences out of the hiking cycle. And we're probably going to be back in the bear market in stocks. And that will also create challenges for the crypto sector.
Now, I'm curious to get your thoughts on my final question, and I'll leave it here. Your predictions for the best asset class for 2023. We've revisited it. We've done this question every single year, you and I, and to my memory, you have not gotten it wrong so far. So what about 2023? What is your prediction?
Right, yeah. Last year I was basically bullish on the dollar. And I think this year it's time again to be bullish on gold. I think that gold, it doesn't take much now to take out the all-time high around 2075. We might see this now in the coming few weeks or in the next 1-2 months. Usually gold has the tendency to top out in spring and then correct, let's say between March and June, July. It's usually not a time where gold and gold-related investments perform well, but gold then usually finds an important low somewhere in early midsummer, and third and fourth quarter are usually strong. So if you put this together with the technical setup, gold needs to break out above $2,050, $2,075. If it managed to do that later in the year, like really sustainably, I think we could go to $2,500 by the end of the year.
Okay.
And that's a nice return from where we are right now. Bitcoin might also see a nice recovery over the next few weeks and months, but I assume later, saying midsummer, maybe August, September, and then third, fourth quarter, we probably will see some weakness again. So that's why I'm going for gold.
Thank you for watching our video. For more finance content, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And remember, when in doubt, just hodl.